Isabella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time seeing me. I am very happy to have you here today. I created a monochromatic lilac purple makeup look. A couple of the items were affordable, which is very exciting. Maybe it was just one item. It was one item I'm super pumped about. So there, we'll leave it at that. Yeah, so in today's video, I created this look if you guys want to see it. Then keep on watching and make sure you subscribe, and also click that bell if you are brand new, or if you watch my videos but you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, join the Goria gang, and give this video a like if you ended up liking it so I can know what you guys like to watch. This tutorial is very easy, very simple, and literally good for anybody. So I know you're going to be able to recreate this look. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Sorry, this next clip is not, she ain't the prettiest. Okay, so I want to start with some skin prep and like just prep in general for our face and just, you know, everything. We're trying to look really good. I actually purchased this the other day from Sephora. It's the Sephora HYA Super All Day Hydrator, Hydrate Plus Glow. Don't know what I was saying there. It's a moisturizer and it's actually really good. I've been really liking it lately. You don't need a lot because it's like very moisturizing. I'm just going to put this on my face and just add some moisture because, you know, we all need some moisture. And then they also came out with an eye cream, and it's called the Brighten Eye Cream. And so I'm going to put a little bit of this under my eyes. Like, it only takes a little bit because a little bit does go really long way. And just lightly tap this in. And I also go on my lid. So honestly, prepping your skin is a huge deal. I have a full skincare routine. I will link it down below, and how I maintain and how I got clear skin. If you guys want to see that, it'll be linked down below. But this is just my current daily go-to, oh no, I just fell, moisturizer and like under eye cream. Also, we need to fix our teeth, and you guys always ask me how I whiten my teeth, so I thought I would go ahead and show you in this video. So I use Hi Smile. They've sent me PR before, and they're not asking me to put this in a video or literally anything or sponsoring. Like, trust me, like, this is all me. But they sent me PR, and I love Hi Smile so much, so I'm going to go ahead and whiten my teeth and show you guys how I whiten my teeth. So I already brushed my teeth, but you are supposed to brush your teeth beforehand. And then it comes with this little technical thing and then a little mouth guard, and you're just going to slip it on. And once it's on, you're then going to take your syringes. So it comes with 3, but I only have 2 left. So I have, is there anything in this one? Totally kidding, there's literally nothing left in this one because I've already used it up. So I'm going into my 3rd syringe, and you need 1/4 of a squirt for the top tray and 1/4 of a squirt for the bottom part. So you're just gonna take this off, and then you're just gonna go all around the top of it and the bottom. All right, and then you're gonna put it in your mouth for 10 minutes. It has an automatic timer, so it's super easy, and it'll go off in exactly 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, I am back. My teeth are a lot whiter. Like, literally, even in one use, you're gonna notice like a huge difference, which is crazy. I've tried so many teeth whitening things, and this is by far my favorite. But I am gonna go ahead and prep my lips now with the the Algenist Genius Liquid Lip Collagen. I love this stuff. I use it every single day. It helps my lips look bigger. If you guys want like more of like an in-depth video on how I make my lips look like I had lip injections when I really didn't, I have a video. I will throw it up right here, and I will link it down below. It's very helpful. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Alright, so lately for skin prep, my primer has been the Ulla Henriksen Truth Banana Bright Face Primer. I use 1 pump of this, and I will just dot this on my face, and then I will start to rub it into the skin. Now, to get those pores and this oiliness that is going to come up in my T-zone later, I'm going to take the Lancome Blur and Go stick and just stick this in those areas. You know, I just tap that in. Alright, so I'm sure that you can see that my eyebrows have already been done because I've done them in a few videos. I feel like it's just super repetitive, and I can never do my eyebrows on camera. But right now I'm taking the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyelids, cancel out some darkness, just get them looking nice and clean and just even. And I'm taking this on a Morphe M167. I kind of changed my camera settings a little bit because I looked a little too pale. But I'm just taking some Laura Mercier translucent powder on a Sephora Collection Pro Contour brush. And I'm just going to set my eyelids a little because lately they've been really oily. And normally with this eyeshadow primer, you don't need to set them, but the oil that I need to set. All right, so for the eyeshadow, y'all know I love my purples. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. We're not going to go too crazy. You know, I may turn out crazy, whatever. I'm going to first take a little bit of this shade down here. Not a ton. I'm actually going to put a lot on and then tap a good amount off and just like do that. I'm taking this on a Morphe R39 and I'm just going, oh, that mirror dirty. Just kidding. This is just the slip that I need to take off. So I'm just going to pop this in my crease. I'm going to do the very lightest amount and very lightly put my hand into it. Just kidding. That already ended up crazy pigmented. I'm doing a very, very light hand, just slightly blending it. All right, so that's what that color looks like, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, going on the same brush, I'm taking a little bit more of this purple up here. Not a little bit more, I'm taking some purple up here, and we're just going to put this out here and just smoke it inwards and kind of just place it all over the lid. We're gonna do a matte lilac little eye look today. And now I'm just gonna take a clean brush and work all of that in. Sometimes when you put your mirror like straight down and blend, it's a lot easier to see the lines and such. Like, I'm being totally honest, it's not the best angle, but you can see a lot better what you have to blend. All right, now you're more than welcome to deepen it up as much as you want, but this is all I'm going to do. And I'm just taking my Surat Beauty Lash Curler and I'm just curling my lashes. I already have a little bit of mascara on them from this morning because I put mascara on like right when I wake up. But for mascara, I'm taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. All right, boom, that mascara is so good. All right, now for my favorite part, we're gonna do some skin face makeup. All right, so lately I have been so obsessed. I've been telling you guys on the lives that I do with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. I'm in the shade 460, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how I apply it so you guys can see why I'm so obsessed with it. Like, I've been using it more than my NARS Natural Radiant. And that says a lot because I love that foundation and I've been using it for over a year. Like, it's my favorite. So I just take half a pump on the back of my hand and I will just dot it on my face, kind of like in little circle motions. And I work with one side at a time, but you can totally work whichever way is easier for you. Then I'll take my beauty blender that is a little damp and I will just start to pat this into the skin. It's the most natural foundation, but it adds like the perfect amount of coverage because I'm a person who likes very light to medium coverage. I'm not a full coverage girl, so it's just like perfect for that and it feels so good on the skin. It's so lightweight. It wears so well and they have a lot of shades too, so you can find your exact shade. And it also blends really well with a brush, but right now I want more of a dewy type of look, so that's why I'm using a beauty blender. Look at that. So here's one side fully done and here is bare. Like, I just can't believe how good this foundation is for the price point. It's so good. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do half a pump more and work on the side of my face. I genuinely love this so much. I think it's gonna work for any skin type. It's not dewy, but it's not matte at the same time. It's a very natural looking foundation. And I think it's gonna be good for any skin type too. I got this at Target because I went to Ulta and they did not have it. I swear, just like a thin layer of foundation really gets you feeling good about yourself. I love it so much. I'm gonna need everyone to go and get that foundation. For concealer, I've been obsessed with my Jouer concealer in the shade Macadamia. I just add the slightest bit, only a couple dots on my skin. It's hydrating, it does not crease on me, and it blends so well. So I'll do about 4 to 5 little dots. I'll work with one side at a time and just start blending. It's such a beautiful consistency, not thick at all. I don't know how it doesn't crease on me. Maybe that's the powder, maybe it's the concealer, maybe it's both. Oh my gosh, I just love this I almost said foundation. I love this concealer so much. You guys, I really want to try the foundation though that comes with it. But I heard it was like mega full coverage and I'm not a full coverage gal, so I don't know if I'd like it. And then once I blend that out, I just add a little bit more in the front little inner corner area to get a little bit more coverage. I seriously cannot tell you the last time I put on makeup. I mean, I do mascara and eyebrows every day, but I'm talking about face makeup, like glam, full glam like I'm doing right now. I just don't know when the last time was, because I've really been just embracing my natural skin and like who I am. But makeup still makes me so happy. Like, I just love the process of applying it. All right, and now onto the other side. You guys see how it just like brightened and totally got rid of all of that darkness. And 5 up here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit my forehead, my nose, chin, and then Cupid's bow. I also like to do it a little under here. And this is honestly such an easy makeup look for anybody to do. We didn't do much in the eyes. We are not doing much on the face. We're just really focusing on the process of makeup and how makeup can look really good on your skin if you follow the steps to making it look good, like skin prep and stuff. Going in again with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to put some in the cap, blend out my under eyes really quickly before anything starts to settle, because once you set it, you cannot go back. Make sure it's also blended really well into your foundation, that there's no like line of demarcation, you know? All right, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and bake my under eye area. I do heavy baking on my under eyes only because I just find that my under eyes need it. I smile a lot and I don't want creases, so yeah. And now I'm just gonna take whatever is left in the cap and I'm just going to set my face. And I don't bake for a very long time. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and sweep this off my under eyes so it doesn't turn white and, you know. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep this from my under eyes. I like to tap it in and sweep at the same time, if that makes sense. I don't go heavy. Alright, and now that we've set our face, we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Just melt all those powders down, and then I'm gonna go in with 2 squirts of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Alright, so to finish up the under eyes, we're going to go in with the first color that we used. It's more of the pinky color, and take this from outer corner to inner corner. It's really just going to connect the whole under eye. And now I'm going in with that darker purple that we used, and I'm taking this just from the outer corner to the mid eye. Alright, now moving on to the face, I'm going to use this Becca and Chloe. This is the Malika palette. I mentioned this in a haul. I will link it down below. I have been loving this palette lately, like crazy loving it. So I'm going to take my Morphe, no, this is not Morphe. This is Makeup Forever. This is my favorite Makeup Forever brush. It's the 158. I'm going to take the little small side, go in the bronzer. It's really pigmented, so be very careful. I'm going to first hollow out this area with the smaller tapered side. The bronzer is literally such a pretty color, and this brush just applies it like so much better. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do that around the rest of my face. This is not a matte bronzer, but it's also not too glowy. It's just like the perfect amount of sheen for me. I'm just go on my nose because I don't contour it. Now we're gonna go into the fluffier side of the brush and fully get our brush coated and bronze up. Alright, so for highlight, I'm going to go into the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt What a Brat. Mentioned this in a haul as well. I will link it down below. This is just the perfect one for this eye look. And I'm also going to pop it in the inner corner. I'm going to go very light-handed, but I'm also going to apply like just the perfect amount. This is the JS4 brush from Jeffree Star and Morphe, and we're just going to... Oof, oh my gosh, I love this highlight so much. Literally, I don't know a highlight more perfect for this look. Oh my gosh. It's all coming together, you guys. It's all looking good. Wow, angelic. And I'm gonna pop a little bit of it in my inner corner of my eye, just ever so slightly to add some sparkle and shine to this matte look. We are going full monochromatic lilac purple today. Also gonna take my brow pencil and put my mole. You guys can kind of see it under my foundation, but put it back where it belongs because it kind of went away. And now for blush, I'm gonna take this Jouer 6 shade blush palette that I purchased and I love it so much. I'm gonna take Adore Me, like little bit, and then Seduce Me, because it's a little bit purple pink down here, and then we have like a little bit of a nude, so it's all just kind of meshed together. I think it will. I love Jouer blushes so much. So I'm just gonna take this and just go ahead and pop this on my cheeks. Oh my gosh. I love this makeup look. I love it. Taking some more of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. and just melting more, literally until I'm dripping in it. I love this stuff. I have none left. Like, I think that was like the last bit. My hair is fully drenched. And then once our face is like semi-dry from the setting spray, I'm gonna take the butt of my blender and just top it all in. And just when you guys thought we had enough purple going on, we're gonna add some more. I'm first gonna wipe off my lips with this little towel. I got a little bit of foundation on them. So the other day I went to Sephora, what's new, and I saw that Dior has like a new lip plumper. So it's the lip maximizer, and I love this, and I have it in the shade like beach or something, and it's my favorite for a very natural plump. But they have this like really pretty purple shade. You guessed it, we're gonna put it on my lips. So I might regret this, but I'm gonna take the Kat Von D Coven lip liner. This is literally the only thing I think I like from her besides her setting spray. Other than that, I don't like anything from her. And I'm just going to take the slightest bit, I know this might be a mistake, and line. I mean, I am barely touching, but you can kind of see a little. And then I'm just gonna blend it. All right, so it's definitely not too much. And now I'm gonna take this, and this is actually, what shade is this? It looks like the shade says 009. I hope that's what it says. It's just like a lilac purple, and I'm gonna take this, very holographic, and just, oh yes, pop this on. That lip liner on it, just like a tad bit, was definitely a really good idea. Proud of myself. It added a little bit more color underneath so it wasn't too sheer. We're really out here giving alien vibes. Cute alien vibes. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this look. I think that's everything. Is that everything? I always feel like I'm forgetting something. Lower lash line mascara. I knew I was forgetting something. All right, now I think we have everything we need. All right, you guys, so that is it for this makeup look. This is my lilac purple spring 2019 monochromatic look. I had so much fun creating it. I think anyone is able to do this look. It was super simple and just easy. Some of the items I used were affordable, which is very nice. Y'all need to try that foundation and just try everything that I mentioned in this video. And if I said I was linking videos down below, make sure you go check that out. Subscribe and click that bell so you can see more tutorials and videos from me. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and I have a ton of extra videos as well. Be sure to like this video if you did end up enjoying it so I know what you guys like to watch, and hopefully you will tag me on your Instagram of this look if you decide to recreate it or recreate something similar to it. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my very next video. Stay strong, stay positive, you could do it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.